Media. The media are a means of communication. The media inform the people about news and politics. The media also provides entertainment channels which include movies, music, sport. The media may transmit information to millions of people at the same time. The media creates the public opinion. The interaction is between the media and the human. People communicate with other people using a language with words and visually with images. The people need to speak the same language in order to understand or interpret the message. The people first interpret the message. The people may agree or disagree with other people or express opinions. Human communication. The person A speaks with the person B. This is called communication. The person B understands the message. This is called interpretation. The person B may agree or disagree. The person B can speak with person A and express opinion. Media communication. The television sends information with video and audio message to the person B. The person B understands the video and audio message from the television. The person B accepts decisions regarding laws, vaccines, RFID chip. The person B cannot communicate with the television. The person B cannot express opinion. The people have to accept the decisions from the media. The media choose politicians. The politicians run the land and bring laws. If people want to change the politicians, they will need to change the media. The media choose politicians. The politicians represent the left party or right party. The people accept the politicians from the media. Solution. New media. The people need new media, so they can communicate and express opinions. The people need a new media, which will allow them to choose the candidate they like. New media. The new media should allow communication from person from A to Z, or the people with the leader. The people may express opinions. If the people do not like the leader, they can elect a new leader. Media suggestions. Websites, forums, social networks, gathering signatures, postal queries. Any media that enables communication and expressing opinions with the leader. Politicians. Role of politicians. Giving the raw materials to the owners of the factories or capitalists. Providing market to the entrepreneurship. Providing cartels for services. Setting the price for houses high with the real estate agencies. Inform the people. Or communication about the decisions through the media. Decision includes laws, vaccines, RFID chip, taxes. Example. Vaccines. The politicians decide the vaccines are mandatory. They will bring a law for vaccines. The people may not agree and reject the decision. Result. The people cannot express opinion. They have to accept the politician's decision. The same cases with the RFID chip implant. It will be mandatory, and if people reject the decision, the politicians will use the police and the courts. The people should choose other system which can decide what is good for everyone. In the case of vaccines and RFID chip, if people disagree, they can change the leader. The leaders are elected from the political parties. The politicians are elected by the media. If the people want to change their leader, they need to change the media. Media. Media are means of mass communication. The components of mass media communication industry. Broadcast media. The broadcast media includes television, radio, films, recorded music. Internet media. The internet media includes websites, social networks, internet-based radio, television. Outdoor media. The outdoor media includes billboards, placards. Print media. The print media includes books, newspapers, magazines. Education media. The books are the most common method of communication and learning in the education. The television is the most common method of choosing a leader. Politician communication. The politicians do not use the human communication. The communication with the people is through the media. The process is: the politicians communicate with the journalists. The journalists edit the media content. The media communicate with the people. Conclusion: the politicians do not use human communication but media communication. The politicians use all the media for communication with the people, such as television, billboards, newspapers. The people cannot influence the content of the information of the television, billboards, and newspapers. The most interactive media is the Internet. The best method to change a leader is through Internet media, such as websites, social networks. Internet-based television. What is the power of the media? The media, such as books, can influence on the whole society or middle class. The education provides mobility to the middle class. Having a corrupted publishing companies can destroy the whole labor market for qualified engineers, doctors, professors. The media such as television can influence on the whole society because the people choose a leader from the media. If the leader is corrupted and approves cartels for services and high price of houses, it will result with poverty. Solution: the entrepreneurship buildings rely on human communication. People may change the manager in case of bribe. The media is excluded as a method of communication because everyone can see the work of the manager. They can change the managers whenever they want. All the problems from employment, security, and education are solved locally, first with the manager of the entrepreneurship building. The people can express opinions and change the manager of the entrepreneurship building.